Millennials, plenty of us have a bad day at work, and we probably go and try to buy ourselves a little bit of happiness, maybe happy hour with your coworkers, or go shopping, or go out to eat or something like that. But what you're actually doing is you're extending your time, extending the amount of days and the amount of hours that you have to work at that job, because you're spending money just to make yourself happy. You could be spending yourself into debt, and then you'll be stuck working at that job forever. So what my advice is, instead of buying things to make yourself happy, buy yourself your freedom. Buy yourself your time by not spending that money and saving it and putting it in the bank, high yield interest accounts, putting it into investments so that it compounds and grows, so that eventually you can buy your freedom and quit that 9 to 5, maybe transition to a job that would be more less stress, more fulfilling, or quit altogether and go and transition into, I don't know, van life, go and world travel, whatever you want to do. Remember, the next time you're out there spending money just to try to make yourself happy from all the stress from your work, think about not spending that money, and think about when you save it that you're buying your freedom of time.